just a quick update video that due to work tomorrow, there won't be no premiere tomorrow. I'm putting it on Saturday. I'll try to upload the premiere on Friday, so that you guys know. And if you don't see this video, you can catch up. It's just crazy at work, and I won't make it tomorrow. The last 2 weeks before Xmas, it's really crazy, and just keep me in your prayers. Very busy last 2 weeks before Christmas. So just keep praying for me, and I'm also already letting you know in advance that next week we will also not be streaming Thursday. Probably either Wednesday or Saturday, but probably like 90% on Wednesday. But again, I'll try to upload the premiere at least 24 hours before, so you guys can see it in case you don't watch this video. So anyway, I'm beat, I'm off to sleep, so I'll see you guys on Saturday. Please keep me in your prayers, and appreciate your support. And yeah, I'll see you guys Saturday. God bless you guys.